Model 2015 Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited E-Tech TDCI-155L1H1 Short Wheelbase Factory Crew VAB Crew Cab Full MOT. Body Silver Crew Cab. Mileage 181131. MOT the 28th of January 2026. Engine 2198 cc 2.2155 PS TDCI-E. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great, runs great, pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, air con, reversing camera, 2 keys.